Come and me teach you Patwa now. Hello everyone and welcome to Shan's Patwa Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan and I'm from Jamaica. Today we're at lesson number 5 in our mini lesson series, and today's lesson is titled Happy New Year. Before we begin, as I always say, the spellings used in this video reflect those of the Cassidy JLU Jamaican alphabet to the best of my ability. So if some of the words seem a bit strange or unfamiliar, that's the reason why. And if you'd like to learn more about the Cassidy JLU system, there's a video that's on this page, and I'm going to post a link in the description box below. So let's dive right in. Wagwan family. Happy New Year, brother. Me there, Happy New Year, yes? Nah lie, glad me there fi see it. 2020 gone wicked, sir. And me fi tell you, glad it done your fret. Me there fret about 2021, but me a hope for the best. Okay, now let's break down the dialogue and translate it to English. So first we see wa-a, or another variation is wa, and this means what is. And remember I said in previous videos that a really means is. It's like the to be verb is, am, are. So in this case, wa-a, wa-gwan, wa means what is. Gwan means going on or go on, and it's based on the context of the sentence, of course. In this case, it means going. Next, we have family, and this is basically family. Most Jamaicans actually say family, but some people say family. So Wagwan family means in English, what's going on, family. Now, family here can actually be your family, or it can just be close friends or your comrades, So it's not necessarily like blood related family. Happy New Year, brother. Me there, Happy New Year is, of course, Happy New Year. Means and this is an interjection used to point out something obvious. So the literal translation is but when it's used in Patwa, for most of the times when it's used in Jamaican Patois, it's an interjection, and it just means you're pointing out something that's obvious or something like that. Brother. Now this means a brother or a friend or a companion, comrade. Can mean any of those depending on the context. Me means I or me. De means so many things in Jamaican Patois, but in this case, it's indicating location. In other videos, we will come across this and with other meanings. But right now it means location. Ya means here. So midday I know means I am here. Or if you're answering the question, how are you? And you say midday I know, which is a popular response to how are you or wagwan. If you say midday I know, you're basically saying I'm okay. So this sentence, Happy New Year, brother. Midday I know. This means Happy New Year, my friend or my brother. I am here or I am doing okay. Because previously the person asked, Wagwan. So this is the response. Midday I know, which is I am okay or I am here. Next, he says, Happy New Year, yes? Nah lie. Glad me day fi seat. 2020 gone wicked, sir. Now, once again, we come across Happy New Year, which means Happy New Year. And then he says, yes. And this is the yes in agreement and not like in response to a question. So this is in agreement to the previous speaker said Happy New Year. He's saying Happy New Year, yes, means I'm really agreeing that, yeah, it's a Happy New Year. Nah lie. This means not lying or I'm not gonna lie. Glad means glad or happy. Midaya. Once again, I am here. Fi means either for or to, based on the context. Si means see. And wicked means wicked or terrible or really good or really bad, largely depending on the context. In this case, it means actually terrible or really bad. And sa means sir, but it's really an interjection in this case. So it's like a sentence ending interjection. So it doesn't really carry a meaning here. Maybe it's just there for emphasis. But generally, sa is translated as sir. So we have in Jamaican Patois, Happy New Year, yes. Nah lie, glad me day fi seat. 2020 go on wicked, sir. And this means Happy New Year indeed. I am not gonna lie. I am happy to see it, and it here means the new year. 2020 was a terrible year. And then his friend responds, me fi tell you, glad it done your fret. Me day a fret about 2021, but me a hope for the best. Now, me fi tell you is a phrase that means I should be the one telling you about this thing because I am experiencing it too. Done means done or finish or over. Yo means you or your. Fret, right here, this word fret is an interjection and it's like a mild way to avoid cursing. So it's a word that is used right here to prevent you from cursing, or in the space of what would be a curse word. Fret by itself means to worry, but in this particular instance, it is an interjection. Like for want of a better cuss word, a mild way of cussing, probably. A fret boat means worrying about. And hope means hope. A hope means am or is or are hoping. So once again, we see the a, which is the equivalent of the be verb in English. So in this case, it conjugates to am hoping, is hoping, or are hoping, based on context. And the best means the best. So this would translate to a mifitelio is like I understand totally, or I should be the one telling you. And glad it done your fret means I am so happy that it's over. And of course, it's referring to the 2020. Midaya fret about 2021 would translate to I am here worrying about 2021, but me I hope for the best. But I am hoping for the best. So the Patwa in full would be, I'm mifitelio glad it done your fret. Me they are fret about 2021, but me I hope for the best. So once again, the dialogue, you can repeat it if you want to get the correct pronunciation, or to practice your pronunciation. I'm going to say it fast first and then slow it down a bit the second time I repeat it. So first it's Wagwan family. Wagwan family. Happy New Year, brother. Me there, Slowly. Happy New Year, brother. Me there, Happy New Year, yes. Nah lie, glad me there fi see it. 2020 go on wicked, sir. Slowly. Happy New Year, yes. Nah lie. Glad me there fi see it. 2020 go on wicked, sir. Me fi tell you, glad it done your fret. Me there fret about 2021, but me a hope for the best. Slowly. Me fi tell you, glad it done your fret. Me there a fret bout 2021, but me a hope for the best. So try to read through this part of the dialogue on your own to see if you understand everything that is being said. Wagwan family, Happy New Year, brother. Me there, Happy New Year, yes. Nah lie, glad me there fi see it. 2020 go on wicked, sir. Me fi tell you, glad it done your fret. Me there fret about 2021, but me a hope for the best. Okay, that's good. Now let's check out the assignment. How optimistic are you about the new year? Please leave your comments in the comment section below, and as always, please write in Jamaican Patois to the best of your ability. Now that takes us to the end of our lesson number 5, titled Happy New Year, in our mini lesson series. I hope you found it helpful. on your journey to learning the Jamaican Patois. Thank you so much for watching. Adi bell that? Class done, Take care of yourself. Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. I try to upload every other day and sometimes even every day. So please hit that notification bell because that would be very helpful. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Adi bell that? Class done, Take care of yourself. Zine.